Hopefully all participants have 4.5.1. If someone don't have latest version, let me know. Otherwise, I start today class. Today class is the related to introduction of R and R Studio. So today our topic is what is the difference between R and R Studio. So today our question is what is the difference between R and R Studio? I want to open the mic of Mahfuzul Haq. Dr. Mahfuzul Haq, please open your mic.
Yes, please.
Sir, who are you?
I'm Mahfuzul Haq from Bangladesh.
Okay, thank you. Sir, I want to ask few questions from you so that I can give you clear idea about what is the difference between R and R Studio. Okay.
Okay.
For example, you have two cars at your home.
Mhm. Yes.
One is car A, other is car B. Car A shape is like this. Simple car. There is no body frame. Only necessary things are available.
Yeah.
You can drive this car anywhere. It's working condition.
Okay.
But there is no any frame around this engine, this structure.
Yeah.
But this car is working.
Okay.
Okay. Another side, you have another car looking like this. Your task is you want to travel on daily basis from your home to office.
Yeah.
Here is your office and here is your home. And the distance is about 45 kilometers.
Okay.
Which car you want to prefer, car A or car B? Both are in working condition.
I will choose the best car.
Car B or car A?
I choose B.
Car B. Okay, good. Other participants, you can also reply me within Zoom chat. Which car you will prefer? Okay. Now next question. Why you not prefer car B? What is the reason?
You just mentioned the car is ordinary, but it is working. But B car is
Fully functional.
functional and looks good, and that's why I
Feel
will
comfortable.
choose comfortable.
Okay. I want to add few more things.
Okay.
For example, you want to choose car A. Your task is travel 45-kilometer distance.
Yes.
But when you choose car A, you may need to fight with rain.
Okay.
Mm, You also need to fight with air. You
Yeah.
also need to fight with wind. You need to fight with dust. You also
Yeah.
need to fight with sunlight. You
Yeah.
also need to fight with noise. So many hurdles when you drive car A.
Yeah.
But when you choose car B, all hurdles are covered by this frame of car B.
Yeah.
This provide you protection zone. So car B is better as compared to car A. You can travel, you can cover 45-kilometer distance by using car A as well as car B. But when you cover this distance with car A, you may face lot of hurdles. On
Yeah.
the other sides, when you cover same distance with car B, you will avoid all these hurdles. There is no
Mm.
issue sunlight, there is no issue of heat wave, there is no issue of cold waves, there is no issue of rain, there is no issue of dust. You feel comfortable and your distance, your travel will be enjoyable and comfortable.
Yeah.
Okay. Now next question. If I say there is no engine in car B, it's just a frame at your home,
Then I will not select B.
then you have only one option, car A.
Yeah.
When you travel via car A, it is difficult for you and you may feel so many hurdles.
Yeah. But
So if you think, if you pick, sorry, no, you can drive car A without frame.
yeah.
There is no frame on car A,
Mm-hmm.
but you can drive. On the other side, there is only a frame. There is no engine. You are unable to drive this frame without engine. So engine is compulsory. Engine is important.
Yeah.
Okay. No,
Yeah.
next. If you pick the engine of car A, or you fit car A within car B, frame in car B. Now you have A engine and B frame.
Mm-hmm.
No, when you drive car B, actually you are driving car A because you are using the engine of car A.
Yeah.
Car B is providing you protection, providing you comfortable zone. Actual working is of engine.
Yeah.
So engine is working, machine engine is the working tool, while the body frame is just provide you protection or provide you comfortable zone. For example, car A is R programming, is like a R programming, while car B is like a R studio. Car B is a R studio. R is the engine,
Mm-hmm.
R studio is frame.
Okay. Okay.
When you perform any task in R studio, actually behind R will work as like in car B, A plus B,
Mm.
because we have the engine of car A and body of car B. Same, R is the engine, R studio is a frame,
Mm.
and you can fit two engine within R studio frame. One,
Mm.
you can fit the engine of R within R studio. You can also fit the engine of Python within R studio. You can fit two engine within this frame. So our course related to R programming, so we will work related to R. So R is the engine, R Studio is the frame, which provides you protection, which provides you comfortable zone. When you choose R programming, you can run all analysis in R programming. For example, we already have installed R programming in our computer. I want to show you just this software. Here is the R 4.5.1. When I open, I can perform all analysis on this single page. Any type of advanced analysis I can do on this page. But same as car A, when I run car A, when I run R programming, I need to face many hurdles as like car A. Maybe we need to fight with spelling, maybe we need to fight with script, maybe we need to fight with other many hurdles. So when we fit this engine into car B or in R Studio, then actual working machinery will be R. While R Studio will protect us, will provide us a comfortable zone, will provide us a protection zone. I want to show practically. Hopefully, it will be more clear.
Yeah.
For example, I want to perform same analysis in R and same analysis in R Studio. Now in my site, R is open. I want to write a script here. Please, you don't need to follow me. You don't need to write script. Just understand the working difference. What is the difference? What is the working difference of R programming and R Studio programming, and which one is easy? Which one provide us a protection zone? Which one is comfortable for us? I want to import a file in R. I will type here data. When I type data, there is no any suggestion. There is no any hint what I type next. It's mean when I want to perform analysis in R, I need to remember each and every script, each and every code. Data, iris, inverted bracket, and run. There is no any output. For example, I forget to add inverted comma around iris. There is an inverted comma around iris and I forget to add. I want to edit. There is no option for editing. So it's mean when you want to work in R, you need to remember spelling, you need to remember script, you need to remember code. No, I want to write another script, data, inverted comma, iris. No script is correct. No, it's working. Sorry, I added only inverted comma around one side, but again I missed another side. I want to edit, but there is no edit option here. I will write new script again. Data, bracket open, inverted comma, data, iris, inverted comma close, bracket close, and will run. Note showing me same line and unexpected symbol in data, iris. It's mean when you want to perform work in R, you may face lot of errors. You may face lot of hurdles. No, next step I want to take its str. I will type here str, iris, and will run. It's showing me its output in same screen. No, if I want to edit this script or I want to draw plot, I will type here plot bracket iris bracket close and it will show me plot in new window. So when you want to try work in R, you may face lot of hurdles like spelling mistake, like function mistake, like other type of errors, which you will learn in coming classes. But when you perform same task in RStudio, now I want to show you RStudio. Here is the RStudio. RStudio mean car B. RStudio mean car B. And I have integrated the engine of car A. Here is the engine of car A and frame of car B. Now RStudio have frame of RStudio and engine of R programming. Here is the engine 4.5.1, which is integrated into RStudio. So R 4.5.1 is the engine, while RStudio is the frame. No, I want to show you same steps which I have performed in RStudio. I want to type here data. When I type DAT, it will give me suggestion. It means there is no chance of spelling mistake. There is no need to uh, remember spelling. There is no need to remember script. There is no need to remember coding, because its detail, its instructions are given side by side. When I type data, DAT, it will give me multiple options. I want to use data, and there is a detailed about data. Oh, I write script for data. But there is no any option in R. So R is difficult. When you want to work in R, you need to remember each and everything. Now I select data. You can check brackets already opened. I want to import iris file. I type IRI. It will give me suggestion. And I want to select first one. When I select, it will give me inverted comma automatically. I not added inverted comma, but RStudio automatically added inverted comma. So it's mean as car B, RStudio also provide us protection, also save us from environmental factors and other errors, other issues. Now I want to run this line. It will show me data in screen number 3, screen number 2, screen number 1 also. But there was no data preview in R programming when we run this script data iris. Next, I want to perform next step, str. When I type str, it again give me suggestion and detailed about information about str function and how I can use it. Str iris and will show me result in screen number 2. Here are the results. When I run plot, I will type pl. It will give me suggestion plot, and there is a detailed how I fill this script or how I type this or how I write this script. Select and run. Iris. It will give me suggestion with correct spelling. I will select and run. It will show me plot in screen number 4. So R is the engine. RStudio is the frame, just frame. And there is no value of frame without engine. You can drive engine without frame, but you can't drive frame without engine. So you can run R without RStudio. But you can't run RStudio without R. So R is the engine. R is the basic machinery of this RStudio or this car B. Clear? What is the difference between R and RStudio?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Now I want to define what is R. R is a programming language. Programming language. As like human languages, computers also have language like HTML, CSV, CSS, Java, Python, R. All these are the programming language. While RStudio is the IDE. RStudio is IDE. In simple word, IDE mean frame, environmental integrated development environment. It's mean it provide you environment where you can run your R programming or Python programming. So R is the engine, RStudio is the frame. Please all participants let me know if clear. Type clear within Zoom chat. If you have any question, you are allowed to ask. If clear, type clear within Zoom chat. IDE mean integrated development environment. In simple word, IDE mean frame or car B without engine. Frame. You don't need to worry about what is Iris. We will discuss about Iris. Your topic is just what is the difference between R and RStudio.
Yeah.
Okay. Now our next question is introduction. Iris is actually a basic dataset which is already available in R programming for practice. Next is introduction of RStudio dashboard. Now we have integrated our R programming, our engine of R programming into RStudio. We all have R 4.5.1 in screen number 2. We have 4 screen in our PC and all screen have specific role, specific name and specific function. You can also clear by clicking on brush button. Here is screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3 and screen number 4. We have 4 screen. Screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3 and screen number 4. The name of screen number 1, name of screen number 2, name of screen number 3 and name of screen number 4, and then function of screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3 and screen number 4. Okay, you have noticed when I type any line, I added hashtag. Now I am also going to add hashtag. So what is the meaning of this hashtag? Actually, we are going to learn a language, programming language. So each and every language have vocabulary as like English, Urdu, Chinese, Arabic, French. All languages have vocabulary. Similarly, R also have vocabulary. So hashtag is a word of our language. It's mean heading. It's mean notes. It's mean comments. When you want to write notes, comments, you need to add hashtag. And when you will write a line without hashtag, or consider this line as script or code. So the code or script will be without hashtag, and heading, comments, notes will be with hashtag. So hashtag mean heading, comments or notes. So screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3, screen number 4. Name of screen number 1 is the script file. Script file. The name of screen number 2 is console. Name of screen number 3 is global environment. Name of screen number 4 is plot or packages screen. Script file, console, global environment, plots or packages. The working of screen number 1 is script file can be used for script writing. Script writing or code writing. You can also say it's a input screen. Input screen. We will give input in screen number 1. Screen number 2. Show you results. Show you results. So you can say it is output screen. Output screen. It is output screen. Screen number 3. Also show you results. Also known as output screen. Screen number 4. Also known as also show you results, and is known as output screen. Output. We have 1 input screen and 3 output screen. For example, now I want to show you practically. Just understand, don't need to follow me, just understand. I want to do plus. For example, here is some digits. I want to apply plus. Here is input. No, you have noticed I write this line without hashtag. I have typed this line without hashtag. When I run this line, here is a run button. It will show me result in screen number 2. I give input in screen number 1. It show me output in screen number 2. So screen number 1 is input. Screen number 2 is output screen. Screen number 2 shows you output in the form of word, in the form of sentence, in the form of paragraph. Screen number 2 show you results in the form of word, sentence or paragraph. For example, I want to write another script, str iris. No, here is its output. Here are the results or structure of iris dataset. No output in the form of paragraph or table appeared in screen number 2. No, output in the form of file or data. File or data will appear in screen number 3. Now, I want to run another script. Data, iris, select and run. When I select and run, it will show me data in screen number 3. Here is the data, name iris, showing 150 observations and 5 variables. So the output when the output of the script is in the form of file, in the form of data, will appear in screen number 3. In simple word, your data set on which you want to perform analysis will appear in screen number 3. Screen number 4 also show you results but in the form of plot. For example, I want to draw plot. I will type here plot, select plot, and will type here iris and run. It will show me plot in screen number 4. No, the working of screen number 1 is input. I have added 4 input in screen number 1. I have typed script in screen number 1. Output of this script in the form of table will appear in screen number 2. Output in the form of file or data will appear in screen number 3, and output in the form of plot will appear in screen number 4. So the working of screen number 1 is script writing, number 2 showing you results in the form of tables or paragraph, and screen number 3 will show you the results in the form of file or data, and screen number 4 show you output in the form of plot. Clear? If you have any question related to working of these 4, you can ask. If clear, type clear within Zoom chat. STR mean structure. We will discuss each and every word, but no, our focus is on working of these 4 screens. What is the working of screen number 1? Script writing. What is the working of screen number 2? It show you results in the form of table, sentence or word. The working of screen number 3 show you the output in the form of data. Screen number 4 show you the output in the form of a paragraph, in the form of plot. So we need to understand the working of these 4 screen. If you have any question related to the working, you are allowed to ask. If clear, type clear. We will detailed work on what is STR, what is iris, what is data. Don't worry. In next class, we are going to start script writing. We will learn script writing, then we will move on these words. Okay. Now next step is working directory. What is working directory and how to create working directory? What is working directory and how to create? Working directory mean folder. In simple word, working directory mean folder. Simple folder which you have in your mobile phone, which you have in your PC or laptop, is known as working directory. How to create folder in your window? You can just right click on new button, it will show you folder option. But it is a folder. When you want to create working directory folder, you need to come in RStudio. No, please all participants follow me. No, you will perform work with me. Come to screen number 3. At the right side top corner, in my side there is a word ML batch 1. Maybe on your side project none. Please confirm me. Project none or anything other. Project none. Okay. Now click on project none. It will show you a list. In my sites, all folders which I have created are shown here. Maybe you don't have these options. You need to click on new project. Please all participant, click on new project. It will show you a page like this, showing you 3 options. Create project, new directory, existing directory, version control. Click on new directory. Again, it will show you multiple options. Select first option, new project. Next step is choose folder name or working directory name. Our batch name is batch 101, so give name batch 101. No, click on browse button. Select location where you want to save these, where you want to save this folder or working directory. I want to select desktop. You can select anywhere on your PC or laptop. Batch 101, create project. It will show you a new RStudio screen with 3 windows. Again, click on maximize button. It will show you 4 window. No, you can check batch 101 appeared on your screen. I have done this step. Please all confirm me. Have you done? If not, or need assistance or help, please let me know. Sir Tajul Haq, please open your mic.
हेलो
Yes,
सर
sir.
फर्स्ट स्टेप आपने प्रोजेक्ट नाम क्या बताया वो मुझे
हाँ, ये मेरी स्क्रीन शो हो रही है. आपने प्रोजेक्ट नन पे
जी
क्लिक करना है. आपके पास आ रहा है न्यू प्रोजेक्ट. शो हो रहा है. न्यू प्रोजेक्ट पे क्लिक करें.
जी
न्यू प्रोजेक्ट पे क्लिक कर लिए.
समझ आ गई है सर बाकी समझ आ गई
ओके
प्रोजेक्ट
ओके
नाम का
ओके ओके. Thank you. Now in our next class, we will work on what are packages and how to read and write our script. And we will do practice for reading and writing of script for different type of visualization, different type of plots in R. And Dr. Sumera, don't worry, it will work. Depending on your internet PC speed or RAM in your laptop or PC. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.